Hello everyone, welcome to Meals with Sue. This video shows step-by-step easy instructions to get crispy pork chop, also known as Katsu Pork in Japanese, and serve these crispy pork chops with corn cobs and bell peppers. Score points with this beautiful and delicious platter when you serve this. Pork chops are readily available in the grocery shops here. For this recipe, I'm using 4 pork chops, 1 packet of Hime Tempura Batter mix, and 3 eggs. For the seasoning and spices, I'm using salt, pepper, and some dry rub spices if you have any available. The Hime Tempura Batter mix is light and gives the pork chops a little light, crispy skin. The beaten eggs help bind the batter to the pork. First, place the pork chops on the chopping board. Then use kitchen towels to dab the meat to dry the meat. Drying the meat helps the spices and seasoning gets absorbed into the meat. Go ahead and replace the pork with chicken. I like to lightly pound the meat with a knife, but if you have a kitchen mallet, go ahead and use the mallet to pound on the meat. Pounding softens and tenderizes the meat, making it easier to cut and eat. At the same time, it helps the seasoning and spices to seep into the meat. The second step is to beat up 2 to 3 eggs and keep these in a shallow container. Next, I pour half a packet of tempura flour mix into another shallow container. Make sure the container is big enough for the meat to lie flat. Half of the packet makes about 5 pork chops. You can estimate how much you need. Store the rest in the fridge for the next time. I will make another recipe that uses this batter mix. The step 3 is to season the meat with pepper, salt, and any seasoning. I'm using a spiced dry rub. If there is time to let this marinate for an hour, it will be best. Next, dip into the eggs and then coat with the tempura batter mix, 1 piece at a time. On a non-stick pan, fry these pork slices with a little oil. 6 to 8 minutes on each side, under medium heat. This gives enough time to get crispy skin and also ensures the meat is cooked well. You want to get a crispy pork chop that is tender inside. Let it cool on the rack. Then serve on a platter by cutting into small pieces. I blanch some corn cobs and cut up bell peppers to create this beautiful and delicious platter. Carrots, cucumber, and tomato slices can also be used. I hope you have enjoyed this video and found this idea informative. Thank you again for watching. I appreciate all the likes, shares, and subscriptions on my cooking channel, sending you good positive vibes for the day, and always create simple, healthy recipes for yourself and your loved ones. Ciao. Bye-bye.